Or what? Oh my god. This is what came out from my closet. So let's arrange this, organize this, and keep on watching. Welcome to Indian Mom Vlogs. This vlog channel is all about simplifying housework, mindfulness, living mindfully, and today we are in the master bedroom and I am decluttering my makeup and stuff. So watch me declutter. It's around 8:30 p.m. in the night. I didn't get time to do it till now, so just 10 minutes and I'll be done, and then tomorrow we'll take up from there. I haven't yet done my weekly routine in the entirety. I have not changed the bed sheets. I've done the trash. So certain things are remaining, some dusting, and I'm thinking that in the dusting I'll just do the dusting of this room only and the balcony, and I'll call it done, because the other rooms I had already done. So go ahead and watch this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe and let me know in the comment section what is your schedule like. How do you manage your cleaning? I'm just using the Flylady system. Is there a system you use, or is that just random cleaning? Do let me know. See you. These I'm not using. This one we had bought and it's not working properly actually, so I have to think whether to keep it or not. This one I use. This one is for keeping. This one, not sure. Let me just empty everything out. So I'm going to keep these here. This one here. This one I need. This I'm not sure, but I am keeping right now. This I use daily. This I use. This I'm keeping. This I'm keeping. This I'm keeping. This throwing. This I keep. It's pretty. I'm keeping. This one I'm not using at all, so I'm gonna throw. This one was a bad decision to buy, so I'm gonna throw that. It's really not nice. The Dio Nika K, don't buy that. It makes the eyes water. See, it's brand new. I've not used it. A little only. It makes the eyes water. Keeping. These are all to be thrown. I have decluttered these today. These are really not good. These are not good at all. Brand new, not good. This one I never used. This one is not good. It's the Fashion Bureau. It's not good at all by Maybelline for my skin type color. I mean, these letting go. A short video, and just around, it took me 5-7 minutes I think to just declutter the cosmetic section, and have decluttered quite a bit of stuff, and done with that. Tomorrow I need to tackle that shelf at the back. There's a lot of stuff right now. Maybe only after after the exams are over, I'll do that properly, because right now we are using it as a dumping ground for the study material, and it doesn't make sense to clear it up, but superficially we will. And then I need to get to that one, and then I should be done with this room. So hope you're keeping your house neat and tidy. Just 15 minutes of declutter will do wonders to your room. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.